In this video, we're gonna show you how to operate and set up the cabinet dryer. First, turn the power switch on and wait the screen counts down about 7 seconds. Then set the protecting temperature of the machine. We recommend setting up 15 to 20 degrees higher than the temperature you want. If we want 120 degrees now, then adjust it to around 135 to 140 degrees. Next, set up the drying temperature. Press the function to make and change the sparkling number, and set up the temperature according to press up and down buttons. Finally, press the OK button to done the setting of the drying temperature. To set the drying time for automatic stop, long press function until U01 appears. Press down to change to 07, then OK. Now, the 0 on the second line flashes. Press up to change it to 1 and press OK. Press down to change U07 to U08, then OK to make the second line flash. Press function to make the second number flash. Set the desired drying time using up and down, for example, 60 degrees. Finally, long press function to finish. To set the time and day of today, in this step, you can set the time and day on the machine to meet your needs based on your local time. In this video, we use 5 o'clock AM Wednesday, US time as an example. Giving a long press to OK until it shows up for use. Then press down, then T&E shows up. Press OK to make the second line sparkling. Press function to change the sparkling number. And using up and down to set up the time you want. Press OK to finish the setting of time. Press down to show up the day on the screen. Then in the same way as setting the tomato, set the day of today. 1 means Monday, etc. Finally, long press OK to finish the setup of time and day. Next, set up the machine automatically in and off in which time. In this step you will learn how to setting the time of on and off machine, and when you finished settings, your machine will automatically stir and stop drying according to time you set. First, giving a long press to the OK until it shows up used on the screen. Then press down until it shows up on 1 on the screen. Press OK to make the numbers sparkling. Press function to change the sparkling number. Press up and down to set up the time you want. For example, Monday opens at 8 o'clock. Then press OK to finish the opening time setting. Pressing down, it will show up of 1 on the screen, which means the turn-off time on Monday. Then using the same way as setting the opening time. For example, Monday off at 20 o'clock. When you finally finish the settings off in and off in which time, long press the OK to finish. Long press the start to start the machine. Long press the stop to stop the machine. And it will have a 5 minutes cooling time after you stop the machine. After the 5 minutes cooling time, turn down the switch for totally shutting down the machine.